Could you imagine your child not having access to full healthcare services? This is a living reality in America today.
7.7 million children in the U.S. do not have regular, full-year access to needed healthcare services due to the lack of insurance, gaps in insurance coverage, or transportation barriers. Where someone lives should never dictate their ability to live their best life. We believe that every child deserves access to healthcare, regardless of address or zip code.
We already knew the need existed. We just never had a solution to the problem. Until now.
About 6 months ago, an elderly gentleman's wife had recently passed away. He decided to donate his 40-foot recreational vehicle to a cause that would outlive him.
And that's when it hit us collectively as a group. This RV can be turned into a pediatric mobile health clinic.
We really just want to make essential healthcare accessible to children regardless of financial means or social status. We're going to be able to give children what they need without a direct cost to the primary caregivers.
This is the future of primary care for the underprivileged.
So what does a 40-foot RV have to do with mobile healthcare? We believe that inside that recreational vehicle is the key to solving the problem of access to healthcare for thousands of children in need. Our goal is to start by taking 2 regular 40-foot RVs and retrofitting them into state-of-the-art pediatric mobile health clinics.
And only working as a team, which you're now a part of, can we provide these essential services.
These clinics on wheels will be fully functioning pediatric clinics that will include 2 exam rooms, a lab for blood work and analysis, a nurse station, and mobile dental equipment that can transform the clinic into a dental clinic. And just in case you weren't sure if you could help, meet Levi Risk. Levi is a world-renowned ultramarathon runner and a physician. He's volunteered to run across America to raise awareness for these mobile health clinics and get more people on board with this cause. Think about that. One man, 100 days, 3,000 miles, running 40 miles a day, stretching himself beyond what is humanly possible in order to bring hope and healing to those most in need.
This campaign is about transforming lives, one child at a time, and with your help, that transformation begins today.
Whether it's $1 or $5,000, your donation will go directly to transforming these RVs into mobile health units.
Don't forget to share this with your friends and family, your coworkers, anyone in your community who is passionate about helping children. This campaign is it.
With your help, we're going to start changing lives today.